Hi, welcome to YoGaEun YouTube channel. Today we are going to practice together with my husband Ferini as well. This yoga class will be slow and easy, focused on shoulders and lower back. Let's meet at cross-legged seated position. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment. Draw your navel in towards the spine. Engage your lower abs. Lengthen your spine. Breathe in and out through your nose. Steady breath. And open your eyes. Make a fist. Roll the wrist. Release any tension on your wrist area. Alternate the rotation. Spread your fingers wide and shake your wrist. Let's meet at tabletop position. Place your hands and knees on the mat. Separate your fingers nice and wide. Stabilize your body. We are going to move the hips back and forth. Warm up the hips. Tuck your toes. Stretch even your balls of the feet. Inhale, draw your hips back. Exhale, come back to table pose. Inhale, send your hips back. Exhale, come back to table position. Repeat this movement. Connect to your breath and movement. Observe your hips, knees, shoulders, and wrists. Good. Drop your tops of the feet. We are going to do cats and cows. Move your spine. On your inhale, lower the belly, lift your head and tailbone, cow. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, cat pose. Repeat this movement. Inhale, lower the belly, open the chest. Exhale, draw your upper back up towards the sky. Inhale, lower the belly, stretch your neck. And exhale, draw your belly in and up, chin to chest. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to tabletop position. We are going to stretch the calf muscle. So extend your right leg back and press your right heel all the way down. Shift your weight to your lower body, feeling the sensation on your right calf. Deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, come back to table pose. Switch sides. Extend your left leg back and press your left heel all the way down to the earth. Shift your weight to your lower body. Stretch your left calf. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to tabletop position. And we are going to do extended puppy pose. Walk your hands all the way forward. Hips are over the knees. Place your forehead on the yoga mat. Feel the stretch on your arms and shoulders, your upper back. If you have tight shoulders, you will feel very uncomfortable in this position. Don't push too much. Just stay in this position as much as you can and connect with your long and deep breaths. Use your exhalation to deepen into the stretch. Coming back to center, table pose. Thread the needle, twist the upper back. On your inhale, lift the right arm towards the sky, open the shoulder, and exhale, bring the right arm underneath the left hand. Drop your right shoulder down, your head down. Stabilize your body first and lift the left arm towards the sky. Hips are even. If you feel one side of the hip is twisted, bring it back, level your hips. One more deep breath. Good. Place your left hand down, lift the chest, table pose. Switch sides. Lift the left arm towards the sky. Open the left shoulder. And bring the left hand underneath the right hand. Drop your left shoulder down to the mat. Right hip back, score your hips. Reach your right arm towards the sky. Feel the stretch on your shoulders, your spine, and lower back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Place your right hand down, press up into table pose. Good. We are going to extend the legs forward. Prepare your Paschimottanasana. Bring your legs together, feet together. You're welcome to bend the knees slightly if you have too much tension on your legs. Inhale, raise your arms over the head, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fold all the way. Draw your belly towards your thighs and relax your upper back, your shoulders, your arms. Folding completely is not the purpose of this posture, so don't worry about it. Keep bending your knees if you need, and focus on the sensation on your back of the legs, hips, and your lower back. Inhale, reach your arms over the head, lift the upper body. Exhale, release your arms by the side. Supine butterfly position. Bring your feet together, open your knees out to the side, and lay down all the way on your back. Raise your arms over the head. Just take a few deep breaths here. That's okay if your lower back is lifted. That's natural shape of the body. Just extend your spine from your tailbone all the way up to your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Now extend your legs all the way straight. Feet are hip distance apart. One more inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Sigh ha. Bring your arms by the side. Bend your knees. Roll to one side, using one arm as a pillow. Take your time, keeping your eyes closed. And slowly press up into seated position. Lengthen your spine and place your hands on your knees. Notice your shoulders. Notice your lower back. Feel the energy all over your body. Relax. We are going to close up with one arm circle. Inhale, reach your arms over the head, palms touch. Exhale, bring your hands at your heart center. Thank you so much for supporting us, sharing practice together. Namaste. I'm always happy to hearing from you guys how you felt. If you enjoyed, please give me thumbs up. See you again in the next video.